Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off inverted colors on Chromebook. The first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the time. Next, you're going to tap on the settings gear right here. Once you have done that, you're going to be led to this page. And from here, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select device. After selecting device, you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll all the way down until you see display and magnification. You're going to tap on that. And from here at the top, you will see color inversion. You're going to simply toggle that off. And that's it. That's how to turn off inverted colors on Chromebook. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.